Do your tomato plants look lush, but pests keep ruining the party? Today on MKIRIKACHA TV we're revealing a super insecticide that's not only organic but free. Before we go any further, comment below what tomato pests you're battling. Aphids, whiteflies, let's fight them together. If you love tomatoes as much as we do, smash that like button and subscribe to MKIRIKACHA TV. Now let's get into it. We're crafting a powerful pest killer using a secret weapon that grows wild and wipes out tomato pests in seconds. Our main ingredient? Castor bean leaves. Yes, the same ones growing in vacant lots. These leaves are loaded with natural toxins that destroy pests, but leave your tomatoes untouched. Don't have castor bean leaves? You can substitute with neem or papaya leaves, but castor is the real MVP. Grab 5 healthy castor bean leaves, chop them into small pieces, and toss them into your blender. Add 1 liter of clean water and blend until smooth. This green potion is going to change the way you garden. Yes, you can use your kitchen blender, just wash thoroughly afterward. Now strain the mixture through a fine sieve and pour it into a PET bottle. But here's the secret. Don't seal it tight. Leave the cap slightly loose and place it in a dark place for 3 to 5 days. Natural fermentation kicks in, transforming this into a pest-fighting powerhouse. For every 1 liter of fermented insecticide, dilute it with 5 liters of clean water. This eliminates whiteflies, aphids, thrips, and leaf miners. Add a spoonful of dishwashing liquid to help the spray stick to leaves and fruits. Mix well. Now grab your sprayer and give those tomato plants a good foliar spray. Hit the leaves, stems, even the fruits. Spray in early morning or late afternoon, never in blazing sun. We're killing pests, not cooking plants. You can store extra mix in the fridge for 30 days and eat your tomatoes 5 days after application. No toxins. Here's what pest control companies don't tell you. Castor bean contains compounds that disrupt pest nervous systems, but are safe when used this way. Outperforming store-bought options for free. If this helped you, drop a tomato emoji in the comments. Tell us where you're watching from. We love hearing from tomato growers worldwide. Hit that like button, subscribe to MKIRIKACHA TV, and share this with every gardener you know. Sometimes the best solutions don't come in shiny bottles, they come from weeds on the roadside.